In the early days of Bitcoin mining, anyone could download the Bitcoin software, run it on their computer, verify Bitcoin transactions, and have a chance to earn Bitcoin rewards. Those were simpler times. Now it's much more competitive and it can be cost prohibitive. The monthly average price for the most popular mining rigs, the Bitmain Antminer S19, as well as the MicroBT Whatsminer M30, are climbing over $10,000. Nevertheless, Bitcoin mining service provider Compass Mining is trying to make mining more affordable. Joining us now to discuss is Compass Mining CEO Whit Gibbs. Hello, Whit. Thanks for joining us. So, Compass Mining is launching a secondary market for retail mining customers to sell their Bitcoin mining hardware and become the eBay for ASICs, if you will. Tell us a bit about that.
Yeah, today we, at the World Digital Mining Summit here in Dubai, announced that we are launching the Compass Mining Marketplace. So where before we would list machines and people would purchase them for mining Bitcoin or other coins, now people can list directly and we can do peer-to-peer transactions as we have always wanted to do for miners out there. So anyone anywhere in the world who has hardware that they would like to sell is able to register as a vendor on the Compass Mining platform and sell their machines to others who would like to enter the mining space.
What other ways can everyday folks mine for Bitcoin?
Well, I mean, the only real way that you can mine for Bitcoin is to plug in an ASIC and have that hash rate directed at a pool that will then pay you out Bitcoin to your wallet. There is certainly a big push for at-home mining for people who would like to build a small operation for mining for themselves. But more and more, retail is looking to get into mining at co-locations and data centers, much like the industrial players would, because they're able to tap into those economies of scale. Where at home, they're going to pay 10 to 13 cents per kilowatt hour. In a data center, you're looking at 5.5 to 6.5 cents per kilowatt hour. So the numbers are much better in those situations. And we're seeing a lot more people now look at mining as a way that they can get involved in Bitcoin.
Right. And from what I can understand, that you could also join pools as well if you want to do some at-home mining. What kind of rewards can you expect nowadays for something like at-home mining?
So a mining pool is necessary for anyone who is mining, but you still have to have the hardware. You can't just join a pool. You have to have the hardware to connect to the pool. And when it comes to profitability on these machines, for the new generation of machines with the efficiency as it is, at-home miners are generating roughly $20 per new ASIC that they're mining with at home. Whereas if you look at the same ASIC that's placed in a traditional data center, or as most of the Compass customers do at one of our verified facilities, they're looking at anywhere between $30 and $35 a day per ASIC that they're running.
Mm-hmm. I understand that the mining difficulty and Bitcoin hash rate is increasing. How is that impacting your business?
Bitcoin mining is a long play. So we often look at the mining difficulty increase, the network difficulty increase. Every 2 weeks, there's the epoch that shifts and we have a new difficulty adjustment. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. But one thing that you can know is that over the long enough time horizon, Bitcoin's price, as we have all experienced, continues to appreciate. The factor of scarcity makes for mining profitability to continue to increase, even though hash rate will continue to go up. So there are short-term shifts in the profitability on mining, and sometimes it's up and sometimes it's down. We'll likely see the hash rate continue to climb, the difficulty continue to increase for quite a while, but mining will still be a profitable endeavor well into the future.
We do see some governments limiting Bitcoin mining or crypto mining in general because of the energy that is consumed. But do you ever see a time when governments may actually start mining Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies?
So this is a great question, and I think they already are. So we have heard that there are countries in the CIS region that are mining some Bitcoin themselves, using energy that's being produced in their country. We were made privy to the announcement of a very big development that's going on in Abu Dhabi that will be basically the largest single site Bitcoin mining facility anywhere in the world. And, if it's being established in Abu Dhabi, chances are it is partially owned, some government. So I think that we're going to continue to see that happen. It's obviously a great play for national security. It's very important for Bitcoin. And we're going to see that perpetuate more and more as time goes on.